Brian Splitt with agmarket.net joining us once again. Brian, let's talk about, okay, the numbers are in from this USDA report. We've kind of gone through them now. What do we do with that information here in the heart of harvest?
Well, I think what we would expect from today's numbers and then what that could mean moving forward is that the balance sheet will continue to grow for soybeans. We think that the catalyst for that to change would potentially be the Brazilian crop going backwards. And we don't have any signs of that right now. And I think that's what's needed in order for China to come in and say, you know what, we need to start our buying program. But without that, I think China might be patient and wait for the new Brazilian crop. So if that's the case, you're probably going to see some basis deterioration over time, especially into the new year if Brazil does have that large crop. And we're talking somewhere in the low to mid 140 million ton type estimate. I think 143.75 was a number that a lot of the trade was working with for a while. So good Brazil weather could make that go north closer to 150. So ahead of this report, we had a lot of clients that were either selling cash and then just maybe looking at a call just in case. We went out to July for those call positions because we want to be able to take advantage of Brazil weather if it did become a story, or just a long-term inflation play. For producers that weren't comfortable selling cash because they weren't quite sure where they were for yields yet, it was really just about put coverage. The puts have been cheap. The volatility value in soybean options was low, especially compared to corn and wheat. And as a reminder, agmarket.net is and has been recommending being 50% sold on next year's bean crop. So that's the November 22. And we had started that marketing program at 1260 basis the Nov 22 futures.
Starting to look out a little bit into the future here. So many things unknown as we go into the rest of this fall and into the winter. Sure appreciate the insights as always, Brian. Thank you so much for being here. We'll be back with more Ag Day coming up in just a minute.
To contact Brian Splitt at Ag Market, call 844-4AG-MARKET or visit their website at www.agmarket.net.